it's a thank you card in your product that has a QR code. That's essentially it. It doesn't cost you anything. It's all automated. So when someone buys your product, they get the thank you card. Whenever we launch products for clients, we can do that for you quite easily. Do a QR code on the thank you card. They scan it. It goes immediately to your ebook. I mean, there's a whole bunch of other stuff you could be doing as well. You could send them directly to like a landing page where you get their email address. That's another thing you can do, right? It just takes a few more steps. But what's the advantage of doing that? Database. You build a database, exactly. Something you can sell later on, something you can market to that same customer again and again. If they've bought the Booty Building Bible, right? Say that 10 times fast. If they bought this product from you, do they want to get fit? It's a pretty sound assumption that they want to get fit and healthy, right? So will they be interested in your acupressure mat or your yoga mat or your yoga product? Of course. So it's quite a decent little thing to bundle with ebooks.
A few weeks ago you spoke about an ebook site that you can buy them from.
Yes, I've got it here prepared for you. There we go. It's called the PLR store. You can go to the store and you can buy other people's books as well. The PLR store. And this is just an example of it. You go there, you type in fitness, and you can sort of see I've typed in fitness here. You've got bodybuilding, the muscle building inferno, and you can buy these books. And these books are very cheap, like $5, $10. The advantage is someone's already built the book for you. You don't have to write the book yourself, right? The PLR store. I think if you go there, just type in the plrstore.com. That's it. It's quite. We talk about it in our members area as well, but it's a very easy way of getting books.
There's no. If you got, say you had a fitness product and you had that book you just pointed at before, you can send that to all your clients. There's no copyright.
No copyright, no royalties, nothing. You don't pay anything. You pay one-time fee. So if you're selling a spice rack for $50 and you're like, I want to pitch a book, I'll give a free book. You go to this website, I've already found one, $4.99. It's a Cooking with Spices book. It's $4.99. These are the things you can do with it. You could package it, you could offer it as a bonus, you could edit it completely, put your name on it. You could break it down, you can add it to paid memberships. You got master resale rights to it. You can sell 1,000, you can give these away 10,000 times, you never pay a single dollar more. That's how it kind of works. So you could include it and you don't need to ever worry about paying royalties or anything. And it saves you a month of your time to write your own book. I know with Andy, I've sort of done the books for you, right? You could buy books quite easily here. You can do them yourself. It's really up to you what you kind of want, right?
With the QR code, when we include a thank you card or something, with the QR code, can you direct the customers to a website that we have?
Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Yeah. QR code will go to your website and you can sell other stuff. You can send them to affiliate websites, you can do whatever you want. But, I mean, you could put your name on it, change your title, change recipes, add recipes. You can sell affiliates. You can sell spices if you want to sell spices. You can be an affiliate of other spice products. You can do whatever you want. It's now your customer. If you get their details, it's even better. It becomes a database. But you can sell one-on-one spice classes on how to make your own spices. Apparently that's big. A lot of people make their own Indian curries. They make their own spices. I mean, I wouldn't know the first thing about how to do that, but a lot of people want to learn that sort of stuff. So it's a good little thing you can do. All right. I think we might have a break and walk across the road now. So where we're going is next door, Surface Pavilion, and it's literally a 2-minute walk, or not even that, or 1-minute walk. We've got to leave your stuff here. It's safe. I'll close the door room, and just letting you know, we've made a big order. So if your food arrives, don't be polite. I don't want you to be a polite dinner guest. I want you to eat, because our break's an hour, a little bit over an hour. But rather than let it go cold, please eat.